What's up, everyone? It's your boy Quay, Pray for Traction. Got the tow pig hooked up, about to take the Series Blue LS3 BRZ over to Rolling by the Bay 2024. Now, if you watched last year's video, we actually won. So they invited us back as a returning winner. As you can see by the sky behind me, it's Florida. Weather's not great, but I'm getting the car on the trailer and I'm gonna risk it. The weather should be tapering off over there around the afternoon or so. So I don't know, maybe 50% chance of rain, which is in the afternoon. In the early morning, it's a lot more. So we're gonna be driving kind of far, and we're putting a whole lot of faith in the weather. So hopefully Mother Nature works out for us. Yeah, anyway, let's get the car loaded up on the trailer. I'm actually going to use the winch on this one and pull it up just to, I don't know, use that tow hook for the very first time. All right, she's on. Now to get her strapped down. So filling up, got the single car trailer. It's kind of weird being able to pull into like the normal pumps, because normally I've got a 2-car trailer. We got to pull back there with the semis and stuff. So it's kind of nice being able to just pull in here. Aside from being at Love's and they're taxing us in town, it's like $3.17 for diesel. Right now it's $3.65 here, just because it's right on the interstate. So you can see the weather behind me. Hopefully it'll stay at least like this. It's already been raining, but Pray for Traction, we got to represent. Said we're going to be at the show, returning winners from last year, so we'll be there. Hopefully the weather holds out. Got the car unloaded, sitting in traffic, driving through the show.
Half a mile, turn left onto South Spring Street.
Alright guys, so thankfully it only rained a little bit on us. Got the BRZ back on the trailer, tow pig, about to head back to my side of Florida. And I had a good time, you know. Hopefully you guys liked all the cars I was able to show you, and stay tuned to our next video. Peace.